Today's video is, we have a BMW. We had a misfire on number 1, or number, I think it was number 1 cylinder. Anyway, we had a misfire on number 1 cylinder and number 4 cylinder. And yeah, it was number 1, number 4. Anyway, we got the computer hooked up to Snap-on now. And we're running a misfire. And test is complete. No more misfires. We do got, this is not completed, which is the catalytic converter. Catalytic evap system's not ready yet. Okay, this one's not supported. Alright, so we don't have to worry about that. Not supported, not complete. Is that O2 sensor, EGR? This is all part of the same system. It has to reach a certain temperature. Not supported for that part of it. Test complete. Components not supported, not supported. Let's see what else here. Alright, that's it. So our misfire test is now complete for this car that we're working on right now. Alright, let me show you under the hood here. Just to get down to this, you have to remove the cover, bolts back in there, cover here. Cabin filter is fully dirty, really super dirty. Replaced both coil packs, got them done, did both spark plugs just to ensure that we wouldn't have no issues, no problem. And just double check on the computer here. I don't want to leave that under the hood. Sometimes the hood's closed. Kind of expensive computer to let the hood drop on it. Let's go over here. And these are the coil packs that came out of it. The spark plugs look like, I don't know what they went, but spark plugs are really messed up too. They weren't